Hi class, welcome to week 5. This is our final week. I apologize. I've been sick. Last week I had the flu, so I was kind of slow on getting things done over the weekend. I've graded everything so far. So if you have anything that's missing, I'll be grading all day today. So go ahead and get things turned in. As a matter of fact, I'll be grading daily this week because this is our final week, guys. I know it's sad. I know it seemed like it went by really fast. But you can still turn in anything missing, okay? Please, guys, don't get zeros. Let's submit anything that we have that's missing. Every point counts, right? I want everyone to pass this class. Now, with that said, last week we talked about problem solving, critical thinking and problem solving. I have been reading your submissions for ASLAN, the problem solving solutions that you guys submitted. Excellent work, excellent analysis, excellent suggestions for ASLAN. I've loved how you guys have tied ASLAN's problem to your real life, and you've spoken about how what you would do if you were in Aslan's shoes. And I've gotten some really good insight and suggestions. I wish you guys could see one another's analysis of Aslan's problems. You guys did a great job. I'm so impressed. With that being said, don't forget to go into, if you have not already, go into your end of term survey and complete that because your voice is valuable. You guys have been articulating in this course what you believe, what you dream of doing. Go into the end of term survey and give us your voice about what you think about the class, what you think about the instructor and the instruction. This helps us. We really do read these assignments. Surveys. This helps us improve our instruction and improve our content for our students so that we can meet every student's need that comes in, okay? Because our goal is to make you successful, to help you, facilitate you into success, okay? So your end of term survey is very important. And in each class, give that feedback in each class at the end of term, okay? All right. So now we've talked about problem solving. Now we're moving into week 5, our final week, and we're going to talk about growth mindset. This week is a powerful week because it's a catalyst into your next class. You start your next class on Monday, guys, not this coming Monday, right? And so you want to go into that class with a growth mindset, with a power to overcome mistakes and have that yet ideal about life, right? So watch the videos, find out what a growth mindset is, how it can help you, find out what the power of mistakes and the power of yet is, and what that can do to propel you into your next level, right? And then in your discussion 5, you're going to talk about what you learned in this class. You're going to reflect on everything that we've gone over in the past 5 weeks. And what have you learned? What was the most valuable thing? Challenge one another, challenge yourself, challenge your fellow students to dig deep and think about what was the most valuable thing that you learned and how you think it will help you in your future courses with Vista College. Okay? Ask some deep questions in this discussion board, guys, because I want to see you guys dig deep and pull out the most valuable and crucial diamonds that you've learned in this course. And remember, you're going to use those things for starting Monday in your next class for your next classes, okay? And then you have 2 assignments. One is consider your mindset, and the second one is how yet can transform your mindset. Guys, I'm telling you, you're going to really enjoy this growth mindset, and you're going to see things differently. I want to hear back from you guys on what you think about the growth mindset, okay? And because these are short assignments, you can complete all of the missing assignments. So get those in. I'll be online all day today. So if you need me, text me, email me, call me, whatever you need to do, okay? All right, guys. Have a great Labor Day and a great week.